This is how to test a fire alarm to see if it's working. So you have your fire alarm here, and generally there should be a little red light that'll bleep to show you that the fire alarm is on and working. But to do that without the red light, all you need to do is you've got a test reset button. This is on most of the fire alarms, so all you do is just press that or hold it. As you can see there, that beeps to let you know that that is working, so that's fine. Hope that helped you. If it did, please let me know in the comments. Till next time, see ya.